So we have, as I said, we have five aspects in this business, and the first one is when you meet the client. So because we have free consultation, and we meet the clients, and we do consultation on their own project that they have. If it's necessary, we go in their places and on the job site, and in order to feel the spaces and also to see the design, sometimes interior design or the architectural design, so that that helped me to come up with design proper for that interior. So that's the first aspect we do with our clients. Basically, I find out their taste, and I suggest my idea about that. So we put them together and finalize until they pretty much satisfied with the design. So design goes through the computer, and I provide them the sample of designs and get their approval. The second aspect is when we start working on the design, we enlarge the design, the approved design, and if that's, let's say, three-dimensional, let's say if that's a dome, and dome is three-dimensional, so we have to build spatial template for that in order to follow. So we build the template and apply the design